Okay, now I am going to explain this example 3.1. Okay, so let's read the sum. If the side of a square carpet, so the first thing is, what is the shape? Square shape. Okay, what is given? Side of square is given, that is 3x square meter. 3x square meter. What you have to find its area. Find its area. So to find the area, at first you should know what shape is this and what is given. Here the shape is square and the side of a square is given. Okay, do you remember the area of square? Yes, it is a square, square units. A square is nothing but side square. Side square, how can you write a side square? Side into side. SQ units. SQ units is nothing but square units. So, area of a square carpet A is equal to side into side square units. Side into side can be written as A square square units. A square square units. Okay, so A is nothing but side. A is nothing but side. Okay, so what is side here? 3x square. Okay, so a square is a into a, that is side into side. So 3x square into 3x square. I will show how to multiply the expressions. Okay, so here 3x square into 3x square. Whenever you are multiplying a terms or an expression, you can multiply the numbers and numbers alone, and the like terms alone you can multiply. Okay, so now 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so here one more step they given. First they took the numbers, that is 3 into 3 into x square into x square, x square into x square. Okay, do you remember about like terms and unlike terms? Yes, so when you have same alphabet, that is called like term. When you have different alphabets, that is called unlike term. Okay, so like terms powers can be added. Okay, like terms power can be added when you are doing multiplication, but unlike terms powers you cannot add in multiplication. Okay, we will do the sums now, at that time I will explain that clearly. Now let's see this one. So 3 into 3 into x square into x square. So 3 3s are 9. Here x and this is also x. So both are like terms. So if you have like terms in multiplication, you can add the powers. You can add the powers. So for 2x, you should write only 1x, because we are going to add the powers. We are going to make it together. That's why. Okay. So x into x square is equal to x power 4. So for this 2x, write only 1x. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Whenever you have like terms in multiplication, you can add the powers. But if you have any unlike term, you cannot add the powers. You just write it together. For example, if you have x square into y square, you want to write it as x square y square in answer. Understood? So here we have a like terms. That's why I have multiplied and I have added the 2 powers. So the answer is 9x power 4 square meter. Here the given unit is meter. That's why I written m. Clear?